provided the URL and the password and can read updates on a patient's condition and post their own messages of support.
Our mission here at the Athens Neighborhood Health Center is to make sure that everyone has access to health care. That's our mission, that's our goal, and that's what we live by every day. We became an FQHC in June of 2012. It was through an application process of a grant application to the federal government. We were successful in our third attempt at being a federally qualified health care center. The benefit of becoming an FQHC is that we're able to expand our services, to provide better health care to a larger number of people in the community as far as health care is concerned. Not only does it aid the Athens Neighborhood Health Center, but it also helps the community as a whole for us becoming an FQHC, because when other entities in the community apply for grants, one of the questions on the grants is usually, is there an FQHC in the community?
Usually tired, have loss of appetite, upper belly pain, dark urine, or yellowing of skin or eyes.